Hi students, welcome to 10th standard Maths Progression session 4. In this session, we will discuss general term and nth term and last term of arithmetic progression. So let us move on to the first question. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. In the following table, given that A is the first term and D is the common difference, AN is nth term of AP. Already some blanks are given. Now I have to fill missing terms. Coming to question. Here A, D, N and AN. So A means first term or A1, A or A1. This is the first term of AP. So D is common difference. And N represents number of terms. And AN. So AN is last term or general term and nth term of AP. Coming to question number 1. First question. Here A equal to 7, D is equals to 3, N is equals to 8. Find AN. Find AN. Write down the question number 1. A equal to 7 means first term A equal to 7. Common difference D is equals to 3 and N number of terms N equals to 8. Find AN. Find AN. So reasoning means which formula is suitable for given data. Here, what are the given data? First term and difference and number of terms. We know that nth term of AP, AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So substitute or replace each and every value in the given formula. So this is the reasoning part, and given A equal to 7, D is equals to 3 and N equals to 8. Coming to solution part. So unknown value, so you have to find AN, last term of AP, general term of AP and nth term of AP. Coming to solution, nth term of AP, nth term of AP, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. A plus N minus 1 into D. Now replace the values. Here AN, here N represents 8 terms. A8 is equals to, so what is the value of A first term? First term 7 plus N represents 8 terms, 8 minus 1 to D, common difference D equals to 3. Now A8 equals to, A8 is equals to 7 plus 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1 we get 7, 7 into 3, 7 into 3. So you can write next step, A8 is equals to 7 plus 8 minus 1, 7, 7 into 3. Or the next one, A8 equals to 7 plus 7 into 3, 21. So 7 plus 21, 7 plus 21. A8 is equals to 7 plus 21. Then A8 equals to 28, 28. Are you okay? Next one, next question. A equals to minus 18. A equals to minus 18. N is equals to 10 and AN equal to 0. AN equals to 0. Then find the difference D. Find difference D. Here, what is given data? First term A1 or A equal to minus 18. Number of terms N is equals to 10. And AN means last term, general term, and nth term of AP, AN equal to 0. Now you have to find value of D, common difference D. Common difference D. So write down the reasoning. So reasoning means suitable formula. What is suitable formula? AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So how to replace each and every value in the given formula. And after that, after reasoning, how to write unknown and given A equals to minus 18. First term A equals to minus 18. N is equals to 10 and AN is equals to 0. What is the unknown value? Common difference D. Unknown value, common difference D. So unknown is equals to common difference D. Coming to solution. Nth term of AP. Nth term of AP. An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term of AP. A plus n minus 1 into D. So replace the values. An. So what is the value of n here? N equals 10. N equals to 10. So an. So what is the value of an? An equal to 0. This is given value. N equals to 0. So here a equals to minus 18 plus n minus 1. So given value of n 10. 10 minus 1 into D. 0 is equals to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 into D. So 10 minus 1 we get 9. 9 into D 90. So write on the next step. 0 is equals to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 we get 9 into D 90. Okay. Next one. 0 equals to minus 18 plus 90. So 90 90. So replace the values or arrange the values. 0 is equals to minus 18 plus 90. Next one 9D. 9D. 90 minus 18. Observe one thing, children. 0 is equals to minus 18 plus 90. So this is written as 90 minus 18 equal to 0. These two are same. So how to arrange the term wise standard form. First one variable term, next one constant, next one 0. So 0 equals to minus 18 plus 90 is written as 90 minus 18 equals to 0. Now 90 minus 18 equal to 0. 18 in minus plus. So move opposite side, we get plus value. 90 minus 18 is written as 90 equals to 18. Then to find value of D. The D is equals to 18 by 9. D equals to 18 by 9. Or 9 ones are 9 2s are. Or D equals to 2. So what is the value of D? Common difference D equals to 2. Okay. So let us move on to the next one. Third one. D is equals to minus 3. N is equals to 18. An is equals to minus 5. Then find A. First step A. So what is given data? Common difference D equals to minus 3. Number of terms N is equals to 18. And An, general term or nth term or last term of AP equals to minus 5. Now I have to find first term A. First term A. So reasoning. Reasoning means which one is suitable formula. We know that nth term of A or general term of A, general term of AP equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So write reasoning. An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the suitable formula for given data. Right, given D, common difference D equals to minus 3, N is equals to 18 and An equals to minus 5. So what is the unknown value? First term A. First term A. So unknown value, first term A. Now coming to solution part. Solution. First of all, write down the formula. Nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So now we can replace the values of given data. So what is the value of An? An equals to minus 5. An equals to minus 5. So A means what to find value of A first term. A plus n, number of terms represents 18. 18 minus 1. N minus 1 means 18 minus 1 into D. So what is the value of D? Minus 3. So minus 5 is equals to A plus 18 minus 1, we get 19. 19 into minus 3. 19 into minus 3. So you can write next step. Minus 5 is equals to A plus 18 minus 1, 17 into minus 3. So what is the next step? Minus 5 is equals to A plus 17 into minus 3 minus 51. Minus 51. So this is written as A plus into minus, minus 17 3s are 51. So minus 5 is equals to a minus 51. What is the next step? Minus 5 equals to a minus 51. Now you have to find value of a. So you can interchange the values. So minus 5 in LHS place and minus 51 RHS place. So transpose minus 51 from RHS to LHS or LHS to RHS. This is written as a minus 51 is equals to minus 5. These two are same or different? Check once. Minus 5 is equals to a minus 51 or a minus 51 equals to minus 5. These two are same. So after rearrangement, you have to transpose the values. A minus 51 equals to minus 5. Here minus 51 in LHS place. So transpose minus 51 from LHS to RHS, it becomes plus 51. So this is written as A is equals to minus 5 plus 51. Minus 5 plus 51. Then what is the value of A? These two are contains different symbols. Minus 5 and plus 51. So subtraction is possible. So 51 minus 5. So what is the value of A? A equals to 46. So what is the first term of the given data? A is equals to 46. Are they clear, children? So coming to next problem, question number 2. What the given question? Find 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4, so on. So what is given data? 30th term. Find 30th term of the given data. What is given AP series? 10, 7, 4, so on. So what is the first term here? A equals to or A1 equals 10. What is second term? A2, 7. But third term A3, 4. How do I find difference? What is the difference between two terms? A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. 7 minus 10, we get minus 3. 4 minus 7, minus 3. Are you okay? So coming to reasoning part, and first of all you have to analyze the data. Solution. So what is given data? AP is equals to 10, 7, 4, so on. That is given data. So what is the unknown value? 30th term of the given data. Reasoning, so means which one is suitable for given data, which formula is suitable for given data. So we know that nth term or last term or general term of AP, an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Are clear? So coming to point, the given AP, the AP is 10, 7, 4, so on. Now write first term and common difference. First term A1 equals to 10 and n is equals to 30. Now you have to find 30th term. So here 30 represents n. 30 represents n. What is common difference? Common difference D equals to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term. So what is second term here? 7. First term A1 10. So D common difference D equals to 7 minus 10. 7 minus 10. So therefore D is equals to minus 3. 7 minus 10 minus 3. D equals to minus 3. Now you have to find 30th term. So what is suitable formula? Nth term. Nth term an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now you have to substitute first term and the common difference and n. Are you clear? So coming to the point. Nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here first term a equals to 10. N represents, n means 30. 30 and d common difference d equals to minus 3. So substitute these three, substitute in the given formula. A30, an means A30 is equals to a means first term or a1 means first term 10 plus n minus 1, n represents 30, 30 minus 1 into d. What is the value of d? Minus 3. Are you clear? Next step, A30 is equals to 10 plus 30 minus 1, 29. 29 into minus 3. 29 into minus 3. What is the next step? 10 plus 30 minus 1, we get 29 into minus 3. So next step, 10 plus 29 into minus 3. 29 into minus 3, we get minus 87. Minus 87. Otherwise, plus into minus, minus 29 into 3, 87. 3 9s are 27. 2, 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. So 10 minus 87. 10 minus 87. So 10 contains a plus symbol and 87 contains minus symbol. These two are having different symbols. Subtraction is possible. Are clear? So 10 minus 87, we get minus 77. Minus 77. So what is the value of 30th term? A30. A30 represents a 30th term in the given series. A 30th term in the given AP series. A30 equals to minus 77. Minus 77. So write the conclusion. 30th term of the given AP is minus 77. So let us move on to the next problem. Question number 3. So what is given question number 3? Third question. Find 20th term of AP 21, 42, 63, 84 and so on. Find 20th term. Find 20th term means here n represents number of terms. N is equals to 20. And we know that first term A1 equals to 21. And second term A2 equals to 42. Third term A3 equals to 63. Fourth term A4 equal to 84. The difference is same. Difference. How to find the common difference? A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. So 42 minus 21, 21. 63 minus 42, 21. 84 minus 63, 21. Okay. So coming to analysis part. What is given data? AP series is 21, 42, 63, 84, so on. That is given data. Reasoning. So reasoning means which one is suitable formula for given data. So we know that nth term equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is the unknown value? 20th term. 20th term. Solution. What are the given data? The AP is 21, 42, 63, 84, so on. This is the given data. Given data. So write the first term. First term A1 is equals to 21. First term A1 equals to 21. And number of terms n is equals to 20. Number of terms n equals to 20. Now to write common difference D. Common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. So what is the value of A2? What is the value of A2? 42 minus. So what is the value of A1? 21. 42 minus 21. 42 minus 21. Therefore, value of D equals to 21. Difference D equals to 21. So first term A1 equals 21. N is equals to 20. Difference equals to 21. So these three substituted nth term. We know that nth term of AP equals to AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here AN. So AN means n represents 20. AN means nth term means 20th term. AN represents 20th term because n represents 20. So A20 is equals to A means 21 plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1 into D. So 21. Replace the values. A20 is equals to means 20th term in AP is equals to A means 21 plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1 into D 21. So what is the next one? A20 is equals to 21 plus 20 minus 1, we get 19. 19 into 21. Okay, we can write next step 21 plus 19 into 21. 19 into 21. So next step, 21 plus 19 into 21, we get 399. 399. So sum of 21 plus 399, we get 420. 420. So what is the value of 20th term in given AP? 420. Are you clear? So conclusion, 20th term of the given AP is 420, or A20 equals to 420. Okay students, let us write to question number 4. So what is the given number, question number 4? Given question is, first term A1 equals to 2. First term A1 equals to 2. And third term A3 is equals to 26. A3 equals to 26. Then find second term A2. So what is given question? First term A1 equals to 2. And third term A3 equals to 26. Find second term A2. So based on the question, so we can analyze the data. First term A1 equals to 2. Third term A3. Third term A3 is written as A plus 2D. A plus 2D. Find second term. Second term means A plus D. A plus D. Okay. So what is the given data? First one A1 equals to 2. Third term A3 equal to 26. So what is the unknown value? Second term A2. Second term A2. So what is suitable formula? Suitable formula is based on the term A plus 3D or A plus 2D or A plus D. So general form of AP. General form of AP. So coming to given first term A1 equals to 2 and third term A3 equals to 26. Unknown second term A2. Second term A2. Reasoning nth term of AP An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D or A plus 2D, A plus 3D. So these are all general form, general term. Now solution. Solution part. Let common difference D. Common difference D. Okay. First term A1 equals to. First term A1 equals to 2. So what is the given third term? A3 equal to 26. A3 equals to 26. Third term A3 equal to 26. Based on this condition, third term A3 equals to A plus 2D. A plus 2D. Third term A3 equals to A plus 2D. So what is the given condition? A3 equals to 26. Now what do you observe? A3 26, A3 A plus 2D. These two are equal. These two are equal. Okay. So A3 equals to A plus 2D. A3 equals to A plus 2D. So what is the value of A here? A equals to 2. A equals to 2. This is written as 2 plus 2D. 2 plus 2D. A3 equals to A plus 2D. Then A3 equals to A means or A1 means 2. 2 plus 2D. 2 plus 2D. Here A3 equals to 2 plus 2D and A3 equal to 26. 26. These two are equal. Third term equals to 26. Third term equals to 26. This is given condition. Next step, A3 equal to 26. Third term means A3 equals to 26. So A3 26, A3 equals to 2 plus 2D. Now next step. Two plus 2D equal to 26. It's a third term based on the condition. A3 equals 2 plus 2D. Given condition A3 equal to 26. Now 2D equals to 2 in LHS place. So transpose 2 from LHS to RHS, we get minus 2. This is written as 2D equals to 26 minus 2. 2D equals to 26 minus 2. Now 2D equals to 26 minus 2, 24. Then D is equals to 24 by 2, 24 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 12s are. 2 ones are 2, 12s are. Okay. Therefore, common difference D equals to 12. Now, second term. You have to find second term. Second term A2. Second term A2 equals to A plus D. So, second term in AP, A plus D. First term A1 equals to A1. Second term A2 equals to A plus D. Third term A3 equals to A plus 2D. Okay. So, based on the condition, second term a2 is equals to a plus d. So here d value 12. So what is the value of a first term? 2. 2 plus 12. 2 plus 12. So 2 plus 12 we get 14. Get 14. That's the second term a2. Okay. Now we are going to another question. Second term a2 is equals to 13. Second term a2 equals to 13. Fourth term a4 equal to 3. Then find the first term and third term in AP. So what is the given data? Second term a2 equals to 13. So second term a2 13, fourth term a4 3, and you have to find first term and third term. So at the given second term a2 equal to 13 and fourth term a4 equals to 3. So based on the general form of AP, second term a2 equals to a plus d. Second term a2 equals to a plus d. So a plus d is equals to 13. As well as a4. a4 represents a plus 3d. a plus 3d. a plus 3d equals to 3. Very clear? So that is given data. Unknown value. So what is unknown value? You have to find first term and third term, a1 and a3. Reasoning. Reasoning means, so which formula is suitable for given data. So we know that nth term of AP is equals to an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the given formula. Not given formula, suitable formula. Coming to solution. Here first term a1 equals to first term a1, common difference d. Common difference d. Now write the given data. Second term a2 equals 13. Second term a2 equals to 13. So second term in AP, a plus d. A plus d equals to 13. Or a plus d means a2. A plus d equals to 13. This is the equation 1. Equation 1. Next one. Next term, given term, fourth term. Fourth term a4 equal to 3. Fourth term a4 equals to 3. So a4 is written as a plus 3d. A plus 3d. A plus 3d equals to 3. A plus 3d equals to 3. This is the question equation 2. This is the a plus d equals 13 and this is a plus 3 equals to 3. Now I have to solve these two equations. Elimination method. Elimination method. A plus d equals 13. A plus 3d equals to 3. So second equation minus first equation. Second equation minus first equation. A plus 3d equals to 3 and a plus d equals to 13. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. A plus 3d equals to 3. A plus d equals to 13. So a means this is plus a convert into minus a. This plus d convert into minus d. Plus 13 convert into minus 13. Plus a minus a cancel. 3d minus 1d, 2d. 3 minus 13 minus 10. So what is the value of 2d? 2d equals to minus 10. Then d equals to minus 5. D equals to minus 5. Okay, right to the next step. D equals to minus 10 by 2 or D equals to minus 5. This is the common difference. D equals to minus 5. Now you have to find first term and third term. First term and third term. So putting value of D equal to minus 5 in the equation 1. Equation 1. So what is equation 1? A plus D equals to 3. A plus D equals to 3. So a plus d equals to 3 means a plus d value minus 5 is equals to 13. Now a is equals to, this is minus 5. So move opposite side, plus 5. 13 plus 5, 18. So what is the value of a? 18. So you can write next step. A plus into minus, minus 5 equals to 13. Next one, a is equals to 13 plus 5 equals to 18. So what is the value of a? First term a equals to 18 or first term a1 equals to 18. Now you have to find third term a3 or a plus 2d. A plus 2d. Let us move on to the next point. Third term a3 equals to a plus 2d. Third term a3 equals to a plus 2d. So what is the value of a? Here A equals to 18. A equals to 18. So, and the common difference D equals to minus 5. So, substitute these two values in the given third term. A means 18 plus 2 into D means minus 5. Then A3 is equals to 18 plus 2 into minus 5. 18 plus 2 into minus 5 minus 10. 18 minus 10. 8 minus 10 we get 8. So what is third term? A3 equals to 8. So write the next step. 18 minus 10 and 8. So this is the third term A3. So let us move on to the question number 6. Question number 6. This is a different question. Which term of AP? Which term of AP? 7, 13, 19, so on, 205. So what given data? 7. A1 is 7. A2 is 13. A3 is 19. So on 205. So 205 represents which term? So which term belongs to 205? Very clear. So nth term equals to 205. Our last term equals to 205. Our general term equals to 205. Here 205 is equals to nth term. 205 is equals to nth term because this is the last term. This is the last term in the given AP. So which term of AP means nth term of AP? You have to find the value of n. Value of n. Okay. So solution. Write down the data. So what is given data? The given AP is 7, 13, 19, so on, 205. Here, first term A1 equals to 7, A2 equals to 13, A3 equals to 19, third term 19, but you don't know 205. This is nth term, this is nth term. Now you have to find nth value, that is 30 term or 20 term or 19 term. Okay. Now, here first term A1 equals to 7. First term A1 equals to 7. Common difference. Common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. 13 minus 7. We get 6. 13 minus 7 equals to 6. Common difference D equal to 6. Common difference D equals to 6. Common difference D equal to 6. And the first term A1 equal to 7. We know that last term or nth term or general term of AP is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 205. So 205 is equals to last term. So write in the formula. Nth term of an AP an is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here an represents 205. An represents 205 because this is the last term. Means an is last term. Is equals to A means A or A1 means 7 plus n. Now we have to find the value of n. N minus 1 into D value 6. So replace these values in the given formula. An means 205. Here n equals 205. An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. An means 205 is equals to A means 7 plus n minus 1 into D 6. What is the next step? 205 is equals to 7 plus 6 into n. 6n minus 1 into 6. 6. So you can remove the brackets. You can remove the brackets after product. Now next step, 205 is equals to 7 plus 6n minus 6. 205 is equals to 7 plus 6n minus 6. Otherwise 205 plus 7, move opposite side, minus 7 is equals to n minus 1 into 6. 205 minus 7, we get 198. 198 is equals to n minus 1 into 6. Now we have to find value of n minus 1. So 16 multiplication place, move opposite side, division. This is written as n minus 1 equals to 198 by 6. n minus 1 equals to 198 by 6. How many times? 6 ones are 6 3s are 18 and remaining 1 and 6 3s are 18. n minus 1 equals to 33. n minus 1 equals to 33. Now n is equals to, this is minus 1. Move opposite side, it becomes plus 1. n equals to 33 plus 1. 33 plus 1. So n equals to 33 plus 1. Then n is equals to 34. n equals to 34. So 205 is 34th term. 34th term in the given series. So write down the conclusion. Hence 205 is 34th term in the given AP. Okay students, thank you. Coming to next section.